friends, thank you for joining me. Welcome to Teachers Maths Clinic. In today's presentation, we continue with our solutions to coordinate geometry. With us here is example 2 under condition for parallelism. Let's look at how we can handle this question. This is special case. Two straight lines are 3x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0 and x minus 2y minus 7 equals 0. We are asked to find the equation of the line through their point of intersection and parallel to the line x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. So the first thing for us to do is to find the point of intersection of these two straight lines. And to do that, we can solve this system of equations simultaneously. To find their point of intersection is to find the x coordinate and the y coordinate. Very important. Let's write down the solution. Bring out the two equations now. The first, we have 3x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. We can call this equation 1. Then we have x minus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. But before we do that, let's bring the constant to this side. So that we'll have 3x plus 2y will be equals to 5. Let's label this equation 1. Then x minus 2y will be equals to 7. Let's call this equation 2. So let's use elimination method. So the coefficient of y in both the two equations are the same, just that we have minus 2 and plus 2. We can see the sign are not the same. We can add. So let's add equation 1 and 2. Let's add these two equations. By adding these two equations, what are we going to have? 3x plus x, that will be 4x. Of course, this will be 0. Then 5 plus 7, of course, it will be 12. So we divide both sides by 4 to find x now. X now will be equals to 4 here 1, 4 here 3. The x coordinate is 3. You can easily find y. Let's put x equals to 3 into equation 1. Into equation 1. Let me move here. Equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equal 5. Anywhere I see x, I'll put 3. This will be 3 into 3 plus 2y will be equals to 5. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2y will be equals to 5. Very important. The aim now is to find x and y. Let me clean here so that I can find y now. So let's collect like time here. I have 2y. It will now be equals to 5 minus this plus 9. Crossing the equal sign, it will be negative. This will be 2y will be equals to minus 4. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Let's divide both sides by 2. Y now will be equals to minus 2. Therefore, the point of intersection now, therefore, the point of the intersection is x now, which is 3 comma minus 2, and this will be our x1, this will be our x1, and this will be our y1. Very important. We need this point of intersection. Then the next thing to do is to use this. The question say the point of intersection are parallel to the line x plus 2y. We have x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. So we have to transform this into intercept form. Recall that the intercept form is given as y equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope, c is the intercept. So we need to find the slope. So let me clean here so that we can achieve that. Let's make y the subject of the relation here. We'll have 2y will be equals to minus x plus 5. Let's divide both sides by 2. Let's divide both sides by 2 so that y will be equals to minus half of x plus 5 divided by 2. Clearly here, we can see that the slope m now is nothing but minus half by comparing. When we compare this with this, m is nothing but minus half. So it means m is equals to minus half. Since both lines are parallel to each other, it means they have the same gradient. So it means m will be the same as m1, which is equals to minus half. Equation of a line at one point that is parallel is giving us the equation of a line. The equation of a line that is what? That is parallel at one point, at one point, let me take this x coordinate up. 3 comma minus 2 at one point is given as y minus y1 equal m1 into x minus x1. This equation of a line that is parallel at one point. So let's substitute. Since we know our x1 as 3, then y1 as minus 2. So just a question of substitution. This will be y. Y1 is minus 2, minus times minus is positive. That will be plus 2, will be equals to m1 minus half into x minus x1 is 3. Next, let's clear this fraction. Let's multiply 2 by 2. This will be 2y plus 2 times 2 is 4. Will be equals to multiply this by 2, be left with minus x into 3. Finally, the equation now will be 2y plus 4. Let's distribute this minus. That will be minus x. Minus times minus is plus 3. Finally, we have 2y plus x plus 4 minus 3 will be equals to 0. The equation now will be 2y plus x plus 1 will be equals to 0. So this is the equation of the line that is parallel to this line, x plus 2y, then minus 5 equal 0. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Maths Clinic for more interesting videos. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. See you in my next video.